Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fill out your students' reports. First, you need to go to your personal folder, then open the grades folder. You will use the same formats that you used before. You will need to complete Progress Test 1 if it is still needed. Then you have to go to the Progress Test 2 and you have the same attendance, homework, quizzes, tests, and average. You're going to fill them out using the same formats. Quizzes grading sheet. But now the next 3 units. The office will provide you the next format, which must be completed with the following information. In the Progress Test 2, you will see an orange section that says Midterm Report. All that information will be put in the report card. But first, you have to write the name of the student, the name of the teacher, the level, and the name of the semester, that is winter 2021. Then you have to fill out each section of homework, quizzes, Progress Test, average, and attendance that you have in the tab of Progress Test 2. The final exam doesn't have to be filled out. These reports must be done before February 26th. The reports must be delivered to the students on March 1st after class. Use blank ink for reports. Thanks for watching.